Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Expert Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the auto backup of company data. Okay, so before entering into the topic, so a request to you, everyone visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel without forgetting. Okay, and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And you please share my channel with all others. Okay, now the very important thing is please watch everyone, please watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will understand that particular topic or subject up to that point only. The balance you cannot understand, you will not know. So it is like half knowledge. It's a waste of time, nothing more than that. You will not get any benefit. So watch every video till the end. You watch more than once also, you will get a good knowledge. And say the example or illustration worked out in the video, you also please work out or practice or your own examples also many number of times so that you will get expert knowledge for that relating to that video, okay, to the topic. So this is the thing. And after watching till the end, if the video is good, please like the video. If you like the video, the YouTube people will share that video to many people so that many people can see this video and they can learn the topic. See, this is about that. Now we will enter into our topic. You see here, I am sharing the screen. Here we will back up the data manually. So how we will back up the data? So we'll go to the data alt y data menu. So see the backup. If you click that, so here you will get the backup page. So backup to be done, the companies to be backed up, and the destination backup path will be given here. So the cursor will be here. Go back, that is the backspace, or simply click here. Click here, you will go to there. And here, there are two ways in that. So manually, you can create the data path, that is backup data path with any name in some other channel, that is in the data path, the original data path in which the tally is situated. So leave that. So you back up this in some other folder, that is some other path. Some other path means some other folder, that is what you call some other drive. So in the drive, you can create in advance and come to this. And if you create already in advance, so select it from the drive. Go to select from drive and select that F drive I created in the F drive. So tally prime backup 6. So you take this, add it, it will go there. It will go to the, and then again space. So it will come here. So you can create in advance, or you can create at the time of the backup also. At the time of the backup, how? So go to, so not created in advance. Go to specify path, create the same thing in the folder, and it will come here. If you do that, so here it will come. After creating that, it will come here. Enter, it will come here, and then you can first time you back up all the items first time, and afterwards every day you back up, select only those companies in which you work. So this is the company in which we work today. So select this, and another company you worked, select this. Like that, you select the companies in which you worked, and then go to end of list. So these companies are selected, accept. So that those companies will be that will be those companies will be backed up. And before backing up, it will ask you those companies in the beginning. We backed up all the companies, so all the companies will have backup. And when you back up some companies in the next days, so it will ask you it's already existing. So you want to rewrite the old one. So already now we are backing up newly. The old one is already there. So the old one is to be written up. That is, they will be overwritten. So this will overwrite the old one. It will ask you if you click yes. So that will be overwritten. So in the backup path, only every company will be showed once only. that will be updated every day. That is overwritten every day. Or instead of that, what you can do is see in the data path. So company original data path is there. Original data path, which is this is the original data path. So the data path is there already. And in the next one, the backup data path also we can give it here by default. So how you will give? So come to this place, come down. Here it will be showing C only. So select from drive or create here. Select from drive means from F drive you select. From F drive you select. Go to this. You take this. It will come here. Enter. It will go up. Or you can do one thing. Instead of this, you can select, specify the path means create here. So give the path name. Enter. It will come here. So take it. It will go there and save it. So like that, if you give, so you need not select. So when you go to the backup page here, you need not go to the select to drive from second time onwards. Every time you have to select from the drive, select from drive and select from F drive and select the drive. So you need not do that. Sometimes we may select some wrong path also. That is why if you do this one, when you click the auto backup, the default, sorry, that backup data path already we entered in the default folder. That is, it is shown as the default. So the default folder will already, it will come directly here. So every time it will come. So we need not select, and we have to select the companies. First time all companies, next time onwards only companies in which we work. So that we have to select. So this we completed in the previous video. Now when doing this every day, sometimes we may forget to take the data. We may forget to take the backup. We may forget. We may forget to take the backup. For sometimes we are absent. So the data backup will not be taken. Instead of that, and every day also when you are working, so after completing the work, we may take the backup of all the companies which we work, or we may miss some companies which we work like that. And sometimes we will forget to take backup at all. So after completing the work, just we will close the computer and go off. So in such a case, or sometimes we will forget to take for 1 week. So in such a case, if anything happens, the data will be lost. That is the data which is not backed up for so many days. So that data will be lost. So again, something from problem happens. So we have to enter all the data again. That is why every day we have to take the backup. So in this case, we may forget or take the data. Instead of that, there is one problem. One thing is there. It is called as TDL file, Tally Definition Language. It is also a program. So if that program, that program or TDL file is added to this tally, in this case, when after completing the work, we will close the company. At the time of closing the company, we will take backup manually, select backup, you click the backup, click backup, then select from drive. All these things you have to do. Instead of that, simply when you close the company, automatically it will ask you, do you want to back up? It will remind us. So definitely we have to select yes or no. If you select no, it will not back up. If you select yes, it will be backup. It will back up the data. Okay. So definitely you have to select. So it will remind us, do you want to back up? We will select generally yes. So select yes or enter. It will back up automatically every day. Every company which you are closing, it will ask you whether you want to back up or not. So we will select yes. That's all. So it is called as automatic backup or simply auto backup. For that, there will be one program called TDL file. I'll show you one thing here. 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Okay. So TDL file will be there. That is there a program. So that we will download and store in a drive. So I stored it in H drive. Tally Prime Auto Backup 6. So this is a program. This is a program file. And at the end, so it will automatically backup. But where to backup? The data backup folder. So for that, we created, see here, we created the backup folder. This is for backing up manually. Okay. For this, we need not create anything automatically in the program. At the end, the the backup path will be given. So in that backup path, so we have to give without space. Tally prime, you can give any name, but actually it is given in that. You can change it also. Tally prime auto backup 6.0. And then there are two inverted commas. And before this, the drive is given. So this drive in this program, after downloading and installing, after download it into a folder, in a drive. So I installed it and downloaded it to H folder. So in this, you can to give the default auto backup folder, auto backup path, that it should be other than the original data path. See, original data is in Tally Prime 6 in E drive. Other than that, you can take anything. So depending on your computer, you can select any drive. So here, just to after downloading this, I will attach this in the I subscribe in the description. I will attach this, and you can download that and keep in your computer. And after downloading that in the program, you can change this everything. You keep it as is, the including the inverted commas. Just to change the folder, that is the drive. So you change the drive and take drive other than the original data drive. Okay, other than original data drive is here E. So where you install, don't install the data drive, that is Tally in E. So other than E, you can install anywhere. So where you install the original data file, original data, and then now take it. You take this, and then this is to be added from H drive. This is to be added in the, it is to be added in the Tally Prime. How you will add it means, say you have to, these are TDL files and add-on files and these things. Add-ons means extra features. TDL means a different working. So go to F1, come here, TDLs and add-ons. So go to that TDLs add-ons. So all the TDLs added here, it will be shown here. Then here, go to this. If you, we cannot add it directly. So go to F4, manage local TDLs. Local TDLs means TDLs we are manually adding. Or sometimes the Tally system itself, some add-ons will be, some add-ons or some TDL files will be added. So that is by that it's called as system add-on or system TDL. That is automatically by the software it will add. But here we are adding now. So go to this one, click this, manage, and this is local TDL. Yes, already one is there. Come to the next one. Here you take, select from the drive. So select from the drive. Where is that? That script is in H drive. You see, auto backup, that is auto prime, auto backup script 6. So that say, but both 5 or 6, anything. And also in the script, which is shown here, see, in the script. So next, this is the script. Both are same, 5.1 also. In the script, when you download and use the next release, 6.1, for example, then you can change it to 6.1. And that will, and then you can add to the 6.1. So here you have selected that from the drive, accept, yes, yes, accept, end of list. So Control A, it is accepted. So this is added, that will work now. So in this case now, so you take for example, Sri Krishna Enterprises, you take for example. So everything is backed up, Sri Krishna Enterprises. So you opened, so that is not closed. Admin 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here now in this we worked. So we made some entries, or for example, anything. We worked in this company today. And after completing that, we will close this. That means we will shut this company. So Control F3. So the company is shutting, shut company, shutting. It will ask you, definitely, it will remind you, it will ask you, see, backup company, you want to back up. So click yes or no. If you click no, it will not back up. If you click yes or click enter, click backup or enter. So it's backed up. It is backed up. Now go and see. So where it is that in the F drive itself, it is also F drive. Go to the F drive. So Tally Prime backup. This is the old one. That is old one in the sense manual backup. This is manual backup. Okay. Now it is auto backup. The name of the file given in the folder. See in this case automatically in F folder this is created. That is the data backup path. Okay. So that is created in this Tally without delays. This is with spaces. This is without space. So Tally Prime auto backup. Okay, you try by giving space also. Tally space prime space auto space backup space 6.0. That also I think it will work. Okay. So it is created. Now if you click that, so the company, the number of the company is so 099. Okay. So now you check up in this. So click this. So the date will be given. So first it will take the date. Today's date 16th May. And 16th May, time is 10:53. Okay, it is given. Again, click that. Again, time will be shown. First of all, to show the date, when you click, it will be given here also. But here also again, first date, next time 10:53. Again, the same date and time, file folder. And if you click third time, if you click now, it will show the folder. That is TBK means tally backup folder. It is showing there directly in this F drive manual backup. So it is showing directly, but here after 2 steps it is showing because in this auto backup it will show the date, time, everything. That is why this is same thing. TBK file 1800. See, number is 9. Okay, now it is completed. So like this we have done. Okay, and close this. Close this. Now, for example, we have taken this X and Co. For example, X and Co. Here also, this I have to remove. I forgot. Okay. So in this also, we work now. After working, we close it. Control F3, close it. That is a shut the company. Backup company. Yes. Backup company. Yes, it is asking. And now go and see. Go and see. So F drive. So auto backup. Click that. The date is the same. And time is that is not taking. I don't know, yesterday also that number is not taking. That company is not backing up. The X and Co is not backing up. It's a problem. Okay, we will take up another Anand Traders. So we will take Anand Traders number 30. So we opened it. We worked in this, and now we are shutting this company. Shut company. So backup company. Yes, backed up. Now go and see. Now go and see. So F drive. So auto backup. So date is the same. Now see, previous one is 10:53. Now it is 10:55. Now the company number is 30. Okay, it is backed up. So this is how the backup will be done. But every time you back up, it will show the date and the same date or other date to show the time also. In one day, we backed up only once. So it will show one time and the company. And next day, if you get, it will show the date wise and time wise also. Date wise and time wise it will show. Okay. For example, in this case, the same day we backed up 2 companies. One is 9 and another one is 5. Okay, that is 13. Okay. But here in this, like this, it will show the date wise, it will show the backup will be shown there only, it will show only once. So whenever you take a backup, the old backup will be overwritten. So this new backup will overwrite the old one. But here is not like that. It will show date wise and time wise. It will show the companies. That is, it means if you back up data of a company number of times, so it will show all the time. It will show all the backups. That is the date of that backup, new backup, date, time of the new backup. It will show. Say for example, here the same date. So this is number 9. Okay, and then this is number 13. So if you back up any of these again after some time, that is now it is 57 for example. So now we will take that. So number 9 again we open. For example, we opened it admin 1 2 3 or same day or some other day. Next day again we opened, and now you worked on this and shut this, close, backup. Yes, see here. Actually, in the case of manual backup, it will ask you when you want to backup. It will ask you when you click that backup. So it will ask you that give that overwrite. That is used to be overwritten. It will ask you, but here it is not like that. Every time we take up, see here, 53, 55, and 57. It is showing that is the time, and here 9. See, 9 is already there. Already 9 is there, and now there is old backup. That is at that time. This time again there is backup, and date is different. It will take that for 17. It will show on 17th. 17th also. Then it is backed up again. It will show. That means every company is showing many times. Whenever you back up, whenever you take the backup, it is showing. So in this case, if you do like this, so every time the total in this company, the total data in that company is backed up. And again, it is backing up here. Here also the total data in that company, including the new data, it will be backing up. Like this, the space will be consumed. The space in the drive, that is in the F drive, the space will be consumed more. So this is the thing, one drawback in this. Everything will okay. But in that case of manual backup, there is no date and time. So when you take up the backup, old backup will be, the new backup will rewrite the old backup. Only once it will show. But here, because it is showing date as well as time, that is why whenever you take the backup, it will show the backup, even though it is already existing. So 9 is already existing. Again, 9 is taken. Even though it is already existing, it is showing this is the only drawback. For that purpose, there may be another program, another TDL file. So it is when you take the backup of a company, if already the data in the backup is existing, the old backup, the previous backup will be removed automatically. This is also 9. So when you take the backup now, the old backup will be removed automatically. We need not do anything. Automatically, it will remove. So program will be like that. And sometimes I saw one program like that, but I don't know where is that. I lost it. But the Tally company is introducing auto backup feature. That is the auto backup TDL. While it is built in, it will build in the program itself. It will build the auto program, auto backup program. If it is that, I think it will do that. When you take a backup, so in the manual thing, it is asking whether to rewrite. But in this case, in the case of auto backup, if you take a backup of a company, automatically the already existing backup of that company will be removed. Mostly they will make the choice like that. If it is that, this auto backup is good. Otherwise, so if you are going on doing many companies many times, so the total data of that particular drive will be consumed. More data will be consumed. More data means data space. The space, disk space will be consumed. That is the thing. So anyhow, you can use it now for now. So in this case, in the description, I will add that, give the file. You can add that. If you want to change that name, that is the name of the file you can change, and the drive depending on your system. So select a drive and just edit that drive and control yes, save that file, and that you add this, that will work. Okay. So with this is the auto backup of the company data I am closing. So in the next video, we will meet with some other important topic. Till then, good night. Bye.